What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I am installing this wig from Nadula hair. All their information will be, of course, in the description box below. So let's take a look at this wig, because first of all, this is super cute. This is a 613 blonde, but it's an ash blonde, so it has like a bunch of highlights and lowlights, and it's really cute. This is 26 inches. It's 180% density and a 13x4 lace front. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has your two combs on the sides, and they even give you a freaking blonde elastic band. I thought that was creative and cute. And the clips are blonde as well, as you can see here, and it has the adjustable straps at the bottom. So this wig is constructed really well. Even the dome cap is blonde. Like, that's really cool. And so this is what the wig looks like. You can just see all the highlights there. So jumping right into the video, I already have my wig cap installed per usual, but I'm just gonna color it with my Ruby Kisses cream makeup, taking my flat top brush just so it can match my complexion. Next, I'm going to take some of the remnants of that makeup that I used for my wig cap, and I'm going to apply it to the inside of the wig on the lace, just so that the lace also matches my complexion. I'm not going to use lace tint because the lace tint can like seep through the lace and get onto the hair. So I just wanted to be very light. So I didn't even re-dip my brush into the cream makeup. This is literally like all the makeup that was left over on my brush. I'm just like brushing it onto the lace. After that, I'm just going to slide the wig on my head and make sure everything fits correctly. I only use the comb in the back because I have this wig cap on, so the combs aren't going to fit on the sides. But after sliding it on, I was actually really excited about how the wig looked. I was kind of nervous at first, but it actually looks really cute, so I can't wait to style it. So the wig actually fit pretty well. I didn't have to cut too much lace off for my ear tab, so I was really excited about that. I didn't have to cut off any of the hair from the wig at all. I usually hate when you have to cut off hair from the wig because I feel like it kind of ruins the shape of the wig. But anyways, after that, I'm going to take my glue from Wig Dealer. This is their Extreme Hold, and put this on my forehead. I used about 3 layers, I think, in total. For this, I needed it to last. So I actually did this hair for my birthday, on my actual birthday. I was going to the Drake concert and here in Atlanta, and I knew I was going to be like sweating and everything like that. I knew it was going to be hot, so I want to make sure like this wig wasn't going to go anywhere. But you can wear this wig to any concert, like if you were going to Beyonce's concert, even though that's over, or something like that. Like, this is a really good wig for that. Alright, so next I'm just taking my comb and pushing the lace into the glue that I laid. Surprisingly, but not surprisingly, Nadula typically has like really good wigs. This wig was really easy to install. Like, you know how some wigs sometimes give you trouble installing? This one went by very quickly. Like I said, I did this right before I went to the Drake concert, and I probably installed this wig in like 30-45 minutes tops. Like, it really did not take that long at all. But yeah, so after doing all of that, I wrapped up my edges and I let them sit for about 10 minutes just so like the glue can set into the lace. And then I'm going to take these scissors that I got from Amazon. These are like fabric cutting scissors, and I'm just going to cut off all the excess lace. So I learned that over the years that I should not be cutting the lace like super low. That's what I used to do in the past. So I kind of started leaving like a little bit of room in front of the lace, in front of the hairline, just so that it can blend better. I don't know. It's just what works for me. Alright, so now I'm doing my edges. I'm starting with my sideburns. I always have to do sideburns on a wig because I have naturally long sideburns and mine are black, so I have to cover that up. And then I'm just going in and sorry, my voice cracked. Going in and styling my baby hairs. The only thing I wish I would have did was made my baby hairs a little bit thicker. I forgot that this is blonde hair, and blonde hair tends to blend in very well with like your skin and stuff, so you can't really see it. So I wish I would have made them thicker, because like when everything is said and done, my baby hairs looked a little thin. Like, it's cute to have thin baby hairs with black hair because it stands out, it's so prominent, but with blonde hair, I just wish I would have left out a little more hair. Now I'm just using my Wonder Bond spray in the black can, and I'm spraying it all along my hairline, particularly near my sideburns, because I can't put glue there because there's hair there. So I have to use this, and also I like using this because it adds an extra layer of protection, and because I was going to a concert, I wanted to make sure my wig did not slip and slide. And this actually came in handy because we wound up having to stand in line for like an hour before the concert, so I didn't sweat my wig out. So anyways, now I'm just parting out my hair. I decided I was going to do a middle part, even though I kind of already knew I wanted to do a middle part. There was a chance that could change, but I decided not to change my mind. So now I'm just using a glue stick, not a glue stick. Why would I use a glue stick? I'm using a wax stick and my hot comb, and I am just making my part more prominent. And then after this, I'm going to flat iron my hair. So flat ironing the hair was actually very, very simple. Like, I didn't even have to like part my hair into small sections or anything like that, which you have to do with some hair sometimes. Like, I was able to just like do a couple of passes through the hair with my flat iron, and it flat ironed really well and easily. I'll say it's probably because the hair is not like super thick. It's like, it's not thin, but it's definitely not very thick, so it made it easy for me to flat iron. Like, it didn't take forever in a day. So my only grievance with blonde hair is that it's very hard to see a part or any parting in the hair, which is hard to make it look natural. So what I'm doing now is I am plucking my part just to make the part a little bit wider. But even after plucking it, I was like, okay, I need people to see that this is a middle part. So I took my concealer from NYX and I just put it down the middle, and voila, now you can see a part in the hair. And lastly, I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray and I'm spraying it along my hairline and my parting, and I'm just taking my hot comb and just like defining the parting pretty much. So the parting near my baby hairs and the parting near my middle part, you know, just like adding the finishing touches as people do onto the hair. Overall, I was really satisfied with this hair. The color is immaculate. Like, the camera lighting actually does it justice. Like, you can really see the highlights and lowlights. I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. Like, it was just really cute blonde hair. Perfect for like concerts or anything, really. It's just really cute. So yeah, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and that is it. Adios till next time.